In-state tuition is a discount for students who live in the same state as their public university, because their families pay taxes that fund those schools. It's a benefit earned through residency and contribution to the state's economy. But for years, Kentucky extended this discount to undocumented immigrants, people not legally in the country. That meant a student from another country, living in Kentucky illegally, could pay thousands less than an American citizen from Ohio or Indiana. This created a privileged class based not on merit or legal residency, but on evading immigration laws. American families from neighboring states paid full price, while those here illegally got a break, funded by taxpayers. The policy sent a message. American citizens were not the priority. This decision wasn't made by voters, but by an unelected council, the KCPE. Their policy put Americans second in their own country, setting the stage for a major legal battle. The unfairness of this system would soon be challenged in court. The Department of Justice noticed Kentucky's policy and saw a clear violation of federal law. Federal law says if a state offers in-state tuition to undocumented immigrants, it must offer the same to all U.S. citizens, no matter where they live. The DOJ sued Kentucky's governor, arguing the state couldn't give tuition discounts to undocumented immigrants while charging higher rates to out-of-state Americans. Pam Bondi, then Attorney General, made it clear, no state should treat Americans as second-class citizens. The lawsuit was a direct challenge to Kentucky's Education Council and a warning to other states. Just 2 months later, the KCPE agreed to end the policy. Both sides signed a consent judgment, making the change official. It was a swift victory for the DOJ and for the principle that American citizens come first. Kentucky's leaders were forced to comply with federal law. Kentucky's Attorney General, Russell Coleman, sided with the DOJ, not the state's Education Council. He called the policy nonsensical, arguing it rewarded illegal immigration and undermined federal law. By offering discounted tuition, Kentucky sent the message that coming illegally had its perks. Coleman pointed out the contradiction. Why put non-citizens ahead of Americans? The policy used state resources to subsidize those here illegally, while law-abiding families from other states paid full price. Coleman was frustrated it took a federal lawsuit to force change. He believed the council should have followed federal law from the start. His stance: state agencies are not above the law. This wasn't just federal overreach, it was a fight within Kentucky's own government. Coleman's strong words echoed the frustration of many who saw the policy as unfair and illogical. The DOJ lawsuit forced Kentucky to align its tuition policies with federal law. The consent judgment ended in-state tuition for undocumented immigrants. Now, only lawful residents qualify for the discount at Kentucky public universities. The system that treated out-of-state Americans as less deserving than illegal immigrants is gone. This restores fairness. Benefits funded by Kentucky taxpayers go to those legally part of the community. The two-tiered system is dismantled. Critics long argued public benefits should go to citizens and legal residents. The new agreement validates that view and ends the unfairness. The case is a reminder. States can't ignore federal law when it comes to benefits for immigrants. Kentucky's special tuition deals for illegal immigrants are over, and the focus returns to serving citizens. For Kentucky students, the rules are now clear and fair. American citizens from other states are no longer at a disadvantage compared to undocumented immigrants. The new policy restores confidence and affirms that citizenship matters. This case is a warning to other states with similar policies. Federal law will be enforced. Over a dozen states may now face legal scrutiny. The broader message: American citizenship has value, and public trust depends on treating citizens fairly. By ending Kentucky's policy, the government reaffirmed that Americans won't be treated as second class in their own country. The outcome is a victory for the rule of law and for equal treatment. It shows unelected councils can't invent their own rules in defiance of federal statutes. The Kentucky case declares, the law matters, and the rights of American citizens are worth defending.